Hello everyone, it's Gigi. So I told y'all when I was finished with my project I would come back and share it with you guys. So what I purchased last year was this limited edition phone booth special kit from Elizabeth Crafts. And I don't know if you can still purchase the kit, but I'm sure you can purchase the dies separately. And immediately when I got it, I thought address book, because I don't do planners. I do journals, but not planners. So you get these dies, and then you got these dies in the kit. And then separately you could purchase this stamp set. And I purchased it because I wanted the rectangle to make these little address boxes on the pages, which I am sending to my bestie because I made this stuff for her. So the two kits I used to make the kit, I used the Blowing Kisses and I used the Kissing Booth by Simple Stories. Okay, so let me show you what I did. I had to separate it into two books because it was way too big. So I did A through M and N through Z. So I'll show you A through M first. And this is what it looks like. So let me show y'all what I did. And I did an image on every single alphabet page. So, and in each one, I did a page where front and back, she can put her little boxes to do her addresses. And on each page, I colored an image for each alphabet page. So, this is what it looks like. It was very labor intensive. It's a lot of cutting, a lot of coloring. And then after I made it all, she wanted a password book and I made it. I will show you that one too. That one was really fun. It didn't take as long. And some of the letters I matched because of certain reasons. Like I did H for hamster, and like I just made it fun. Some of them that was no reason at all. I did J for Jesus. I love that picture. I did K for kitty. I did L for love. That's her and her husband. And there's M for mice. They're little hot cocoa. And then that's the end of that book. And I did 3 little phones at the bottom of that. And so that was the first book. And then here's the front of the second book. Oh, and these windows open. I made them open and they have acetate. I didn't show that before. Tell me it's stuck. Okay, no, it's not. I did O for ocean. P for popcorn. Isn't she cute? Best bugs. I did R for retro. S for strawberry. I love that one. W for winter. A little sailor girl I colored up. I fully support your couch resting, PJ wearing, messy hair rockin' choices for today. And then I did a little notes section. She can write her little notes in there. And that's that book. That is her address book. Now let me share her password book. I did it coffee themed, and I mostly used stickers and dies. This one turned out so cute, I wanted to keep it. And this one, the door opens. It has acetate. I think this one turned out so stinking cute. And I did like 4 to 6 pages in each one. I don't know, there's ink on that. I guess it came off of that. It says, all I need today is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Do not worry, be happy. A little coffee cup with some whipped cream on top. And then I colored her up with a little kitty. The Sweet Life with some coffees. And a little coffee cup with a donut on it. And that is it. And then I did the little telephones again. So that is her book, her 2 books. So that is what I've been up to on the side of doing everything else. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope I gave y'all some inspiration. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.